Hello curly heads, hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another curly hair video. So I took a break of a month or so just to try out different content on my channel, but I didn't upload it that much because I was really sick for 2-3 weeks or more than that. Like I'm filming today after a month I guess. So yeah, I wasn't able to upload that much. So I wanted to shoot a essential video for curly hair, like essential products that I find that are essential on a day-to-day life for my curly to baby hair person. So I will link all the products in my description below if you want to check them out. And all of the products that I am going to show you is essential for according to my perspective. It's not necessary what I am finding essential is an essential product for you. So just see and buy accordingly, like what you need. So don't buy everything that you see. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so as we all know that styling products and pre-poo, deep conditioners, these are really an essential part of your curly hair journey. So I will be not showing them in particular, and I will show you the extra accessory and extra products that are there for curly hair and you can try them. So when we, like I have talked almost in every video of my curly hair video routines, that why pre-poo is necessary, because it really helps in giving that moisture nourishment to your hair. And also deep conditioners are really important for your hair, especially when you are starting out and your hair needs moisture, nourishment and everything. So we know deep conditioner, pre-poo, styling products, bleach gel, mousse and everything are really important. But other than that, there are a lot of products that really help them in working in a better way. So I'm going to show you first this temp heat cap from Hair Love. So what does this temp heat cap do? So when you apply when you are oiling your hair or when you apply any deep conditioner, providing the heat to your hair helps in opening your hair shaft and penetrates the product very nicely. Like when we go to a salon and get spa treatments, they apply the products and put heat on our hair so that it penetrates inside our hair and work in a better way. So obviously it's not functional to go to spa every week or not every week. It's not good for your hair every week. So obviously it can get out of budget to go for hair spa every month because they're quite expensive. So these are the at-home hair spa. These have flaxseed bags inside them. So how to use a heat cap? So first you can either pre-poo your hair or apply deep conditioner to your hair and wear a shower cap. So you would need a shower cap also. So wear a shower cap and then heat this and then put it in your hair and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes, and it really helps with like the heat that your hair needs while applying oils and everything. So yeah, this is all about this heat cap, and this is from Hair Love India, so I will mention the links below. So like most of the people like know this, but I want to mention this because most of the newbies don't know much about this product. Like if you are starting out, it might confuse you. So I want to talk about clarifying shampoo. So obviously most of the people know what a clarifying shampoo is. So clarifying shampoo helps with removing the buildup that we get from not using sulfate shampoos. As we know, sulfate free shampoos are mild for our hair, and using various styling products can lead to buildup after a certain point of time. So to remove them, we need a clarifying shampoo. So I use the clarifying shampoo after every 15 days. You can use it once a month or twice a month according to your hair needs and buildup. So clarifying shampoo is also a must. And the another product is that I have started using for like couple of months and I got it offline, but you can also find it online. I will mention the link in description below. So this is a hair or head massager or scalp massager. So these have these silicone bristles and they're really soft. So how you can use it, you can just while shampooing your hair, just take this and massage your hair nicely. It will really make sure that all the dirt and gunk is removed from your hair because it really enters to your scalp and you massage it. It really feels good when you use this, and I guess it cost me around 130 rupees. So it's not that expensive and it's kind of one-time investment. I think it will last me for longer months and days. So yeah, this is really a nice product. It really helps in cleaning the scalp and I just use it every wash day, and also sometimes I detangle my hair with this as well. So yeah, it's a multi-purpose product. So now it's time for what you use after washing your hair. So I have always shown that using a regular towel can really be harsh on your hair and cause frizz and dryness. So get a old cotton t-shirt from your wardrobe and use it to squeeze out the excess water, or to use it to dry your hair rather than using a regular towel. They are really harsh for your hair. Don't use a regular towel, they are not good for your hair. Okay, so now you have dried your hair, styled your hair and done everything, but now you want to tie up your hair in a bun. And if you use your normal regular rubber bands, they can really stretch out your curl pattern and they really break your hair when you like take out from your hair. Like कितने सारे बाल निकल आते हैं when you remove your regular rubber bands, and they really break your hair and stretch out your curl pattern as well. So if you have texture hair, or even if you have straight hair, try to use satin to silk scrunchies. Like if you are wondering what kind of satin or silk scrunchie you need, so you can go to Hairlove website, I will mention below. And believe me guys, they have lot of scrunchies in their website, like so many scrunchies, oh my god. And I know you are going to get confused like which scrunchie you should buy. So they have a set of 6 scrunchies in which you get different kind of scrunchies, like single pieces of different kind of scrunchies they have. So you can try out all the scrunchies they have. So I have their 6 set of scrunchies in which there are different sizes of scrunchies available. So I'm gonna show you all these scrunchies I have, and I was really excited for this product. And you can use a coconut bowl to keep your products. They look really nice, cute and reusable stuff. So one of the smallest scrunchies, I think this is their baby scrunchie. So this is the smallest one, which you can use to make pineapple, and you don't need to twist it around like. And one of the great thing about this scrunchies is if you use it and it gets stretched out like this, it's now become this big. So now you can just roll it over and it will come back to its original shape. How cool is that? So yeah, this is their baby scrunchie, and I don't know the names of all the scrunchies, so yeah. So next is this scrunchie which you can use to make ponytails. Like it's really stretchable, so it will be very good for ponytails or even for buns if you like to twist it into two and make tight, but I would use it for ponytail. And then is this purple scrunchie. This is also really good for making buns and ponytail. So this scrunchie is used by my mom. Like my mom was wearing this and I went to her and asked her to give it to me so that I can show it to you guys. So yeah, this is for my mom and it's really stretchable and soft. So now is this grey satin scrunchie, and this is used by me. Like most of the time I only use this. This is thick, this is stretchable, and it's like the size is perfect for my hair for ponytail or bun. Like I just twist it to like 1 or 2, I don't know how, like 1 time twist it, and it's perfect for my hair. And I really love this. I most of the time use this scrunchie only. So yeah, and when I am feeling a little bit fancy, I use this one. So this is their yellow scrunchie, and it's I think it's the lazy scrunchie, and this can be used for loose ponytail or low ponytails, and it really looks pretty while like it really looks pretty in your bun as well. I will try to insert some pictures. So this is really nice, and the quality of the products are really great. So last is their donut scrunchie, I guess. So this is really thick and it doesn't stretches too much, and it is also good for pineapple. Like it's really thick and nice. So now is another one of the essential products if you have texture hair, like the most used product, not the most, like a curly to wavy head person should have this product in her or his house. Like it's kind of the important product. So this is a spray bottle filled with water, or you can fill with products and mix with water. So spray bottle is really essential for a curly or wavy head person, because you need to refresh or you need to wet your hair while styling. So you need a spray bottle in your life. Like you have to refresh. Like it's not necessary to refresh. If you don't want to refresh, you are like free to do whatever you want, but most of the time the day 3 or day 4 hair needs a little bit of refresh, or while you are styling your hair after washing your hair, and if you feel that your hair is getting damper, you can always wet your hair by using this spray bottle. So spray bottle is really a necessary according to me for a curly to wavy head person, because it is used so much throughout your week. So yeah, and you don't need any expensive spray bottle. You can use any empty spray bottle of a toner or a hairspray that you already have and use it, or you can just buy a सस्ता सा spray bottle, it does the job. So yeah, spray bottle is really essential. So next is a product which is specified for a category of people. So if you are someone who is transitioning from a heat or chemical damaged hair to your natural hair journey, this product will be your lifesaver or a curl saver. So if you have healthy hair and you are just transitioning to CGM but you haven't done heat damage or anything, so this product is not an essential part. But if you are someone who did smoothing, rebonding, or used to straight their hair constantly for years and you have breakage, or if you have so many chemical treatments done on your hair or colored your hair, bleached your hair, this product is your hair saver. So this is the Olaplex number 3. I have made my first impression video here, but it's not finished, so I am not able to make the empty bottle yet. So believe me guys, if you have hair breakage, damaged hair, this product will help your hair in repairing that. It really helps in repairing the bond. It helps in repairing the breakage that your hair have. It already mentioned repairs and strengthens, and it's for all hair type. But this is a really expensive product. I guess the original price of this is 2500 something. I got it on sale from Amazon for 1700, and I was really scared if the product would be original or not. But I think it's original because it really works for my hair. Like when I bought this, I used it for a whole, once a week for whole month, and after that I've switched to once a month because my hair was kind of repaired so much, so I stopped using it every week and I do it only once a month. And always try to do curl training while using the Olaplex number 3. It really helps. So you can check out this video here to know more about this, like how to use and everything about the product. And believe me guys, it is an essential product. Like if anyone asks me na ki my hair has hair breakage, I have lot of heat damage, I would really recommend this product because it really does the job. And one thing, this is their number 3, and you don't need to do number 1 or number 2 in the salon to use this. You can use it at home as well. Okay, so this product is the most used product by me. Like I use it every single day, every single night. I can't imagine my curl life without this product anymore. Like this is really a curl saver. Like if you have this product, your hair is going to have, like your curl is going to last for so many days. So I think few of you know what this product is, but like I didn't have this product for the longest period of my life. Like I got this almost after 6 to 7 months of my curly hair journey. But believe me guys, if you are someone who is starting out and struggling with your curly hair, get this as soon as possible and thank me in the comments below. Okay, so I'm talking about this satin bonnet. Ta-da! This is the winner of curly hair accessory product. Like this is the most essential product in the whole video. And when I say the most essential product, I mean it. Like I literally wear this bonnet in my daytime, nighttime. Like if due to this COVID, I am still at home. I'm not stepping out that much. So I keep my hair in this bonnet for the whole day. Like I try to avoid making buns or pineapple. So I sleep on bonnet. I spend my whole day in bonnet, and my mom is like so much pissed because I wear this all the time. But really believe me guys, it doesn't make your hair dry. Like when you sleep and wake up in the morning, your hair might feel dry. But if you are wearing a bonnet, it will make sure that your hair is not dry at all. It's moisturized, it's defined. It doesn't like damage, or it doesn't loosen up your curl pattern. Like this is my day 2 hair. Like this is really my day 2 hair, and I woke up like this. I haven't refreshed my hair. I just wore this at night and just woke up like this. Like look at it. So yeah, I really love this. So this satin bonnet is from Hair Love as well, and this is their regular satin bonnet, and this is their tying headband wala. So you can tie it accordingly. Like if you have migraine problem or headache while wearing something on your head, you can just tie it accordingly. So this is this long, and yeah, I really love this. And this is like both the sides of satin, so you can use both the sides of this. So this is how the satin looks like. And believe me guys, if you are a curly to wavy head person and if you haven't invested in a satin bonnet yet, just buy a satin bonnet. Like this will really change your curl game. So now the last product but not the least. So I remember telling the product in one of my videos that it is not that of an essential product, But as winter has come, so this is my essential, like this is one of my essential products now. So I don't know if you have guessed already or not. So I am talking about a hair diffuser. So if you have a dryer at your home, you can just simply buy this diffuser attachment from Amazon or Nykaa. And I didn't have I have the dryer, but nothing was getting the size of the nozzle fit on that. So I thought of buying a dryer only. So this is the Agaro HD1150 Turbo Pro hair dryer, and I got it from Nykaa. So the diffuser is like this. It's really big. So yeah, for me diffuser is really essential as winter has come, and I can't wait for my hair to dry for 3 to 4 hours because I will get cold. So get a diffuser. It will make sure that your hair is dried in 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So yeah, I really love using a diffuser nowadays. So this is one of the essential products for me now. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video and found my essential products as your essential products as well. Do let me know in the comments below if I have missed any essential products that you would like to add, and I would really love to know what are the essential products you find in your curly to baby hair journey. And I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.